All right, welcome to the best day of the week, fifth graders, Friday, May 22nd. Again, kind of crazy finishing up, wrapping up our last full week of the school year. Next week, we have off on Monday because of Memorial Day, and so only a 4-day week next week. And then the following week, we are still trying to figure out what that's going to look like in terms of your responsibility and your opportunities that we're going to put in front of you. I don't know how much of it's going to be academic or how much of it's going to be just kind of a celebration, but it definitely won't be a full week either way because we'll be done by Thursday of that week as well. So, like I said, one more thing to check off the list, guys. Last full week of school done. We will have 2 Zoom opportunities today at the normal times, one at 10:30 and one at 1:30. Please make sure you are bringing a pencil, writing utensil, and something to write on. Doesn't have to be a pencil, I guess. I'm so used to saying that in the classroom, but yeah, bring something to write with and something to write on to our Zoom meeting today. We will be doing another we're bringing back a fun game again. A lot of people during our breakout sessions on Tuesday talked about this game and wanting to bring this back. So we're gonna play a game again for the 10:30 and 1:30 Zooms today. So hopefully I see as many people as I can. I know we do have a few people who have headed out of town for the weekend, which is great. I wish it was me. I'm a little jealous you guys getting out of town, but that's great. So enjoy it. Try to do something a little bit more normal with your life. That's great. We'll see you next week for those individuals who are heading out of town. So in terms of our academics for today, guys, it is Friday. And again, that's kind of our catch-up day, making sure we complete everything. I know for my on-level class, you have an ed puzzle again today. And all that means, guys, please click on the ed puzzle and then watch the video through. The questions will pop up as you are watching the video. And it scores it right there for you. It's actually a really, really nice tool for us as teachers. And we'll probably be using that more moving forward. Probably not this year just because we are so limited in the amount of lessons we have left, but something that we'll probably put into place next year in the classroom. So great practice for us this year, though. So it is another video on nets. So please make sure you get in there and do that ed puzzle and watch that all the way through. My accelerated group of math, you guys will have a very normal day as well. There'll be a video and an exit ticket to do. And then on science, same thing. Very, very straightforward, still dealing with the laws of motion and Isaac Newton and all that good stuff. So basically, guys, the gist of it is make sure you get everything done for the day. I did have a couple people turn in some quick quizzes that were missing from previous. I added another person who turned in their science project, so thank you for that. Still looking for those things, guys. We're ticking down with 2 weeks left of the school year before we are officially done. We're kind of running out of days to get some of those things turned in. So please take advantage of me as a resource. Please use the time that you have right now to get those things turned in and let me know that you've turned it in so I'm not searching around all the time to try to find something. That's about it. But again, I've still got about half of the class who's done Think Central for this week. And I've only got about 7 people in one class and 9 people in the other class who've done any Prodigy questions for this week. So please get in there and do that today. I know when we have Zooms, that it tends to be a little bit more congested and a little bit harder for you to get some work done. But in all honesty, guys, our Zooms last a half an hour to 45 minutes. I think the longest one lasted about an hour. But in all honesty, guys, that's an hour out of a day that would typically be 7 or 8. So please take the time to get into those things. And getting done with that Think Central assignment is a great thing for me to know that you're practicing the skill that we're working on at that point. And for Prodigy, just trying to get you some free points, basically, by getting in there and answering some questions, logging in. I am thinking about doing a Prodigy tournament, and I haven't figured out how it's going to work yet, but I would like to do a Prodigy tournament at the end of the year here and maybe have everybody set up a Zoom And then you guys, I'll be open in that Zoom, and you guys can keep bouncing into that Zoom meeting and telling me who won and who's active and all those kinds of things. So we can try to make that work that way. That's a goal of mine. We'll see how it works. But other than that, have a great Friday. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend, guys. Like I said, I look forward to seeing as many people as we can at the Zoom meetings today. The more, the merrier, and it makes the games easier and more enjoyable when we got a few more people there. So, all right, have a great Friday, everyone, and remember to ask questions if you have any.